In the vast and awe-inspiring realm of the animal world, few creatures capture our hearts and minds quite like bear cubs. Bear cubs are a remarkable part of the natural world, symbolizing both the resilience and fragility of life in the wild. As we delve deeper into the lives of these young bears, we begin to understand the delicate balance that sustains them in their natural habitat. In nature's grand theater, bear cubs emerge as stars in their own right. While the wilderness can be a harsh and unforgiving place, bear cubs are born with innate instincts that help them navigate this challenging terrain. Bear cubs are born with sharp claws and teeth, which are essential for climbing trees and defending themselves from potential threats. Mother bears play a vital role in nurturing and protecting their cubs. Bear cubs are not only a symbol of the wilderness but also a reminder of the importance of preserving their natural habitats. The sight of bear cubs frolicking in the wild is a poignant reminder of the beauty and wonder of nature. Their playful antics and innocent curiosity capture our hearts, evoking a sense of awe and reverence for the natural world. Conservation efforts, habitat preservation, and responsible coexistence with these magnificent creatures are essential steps in ensuring that bear cubs continue to enchant us with their presence. In conclusion, bear cubs are a captivating and integral part of the animal world, embodying the beauty and complexity of nature's wilderness. Word count: 710.